How to enable biometric login for a Capital One. So in order to enable biometric login such as Face ID and Print for Capital One, you need to follow the steps. First of all, you want to open your respective app store, install Capital One on your device. As you've done that, you want to go ahead and install the Capital One app onto your device. Once you do that, or once you're done installing the app, you then want to open the app. So when you are taken to the login field, you want to press the sign in button, after which log in with your credential, all that. And then once you're logged in the home page, you want to tap onto the profile icon and select security. Once you have done that, you want to find mobile app verification under additional security and enable it, enrolling your device. When signing in next time, the app will ask you to use your Face ID or fingerprint, or tap the Face ID fingerprint button in the top right corner. And that's how you're going to turn it on off later. And that's just basically how you're going to enable biometric login for Capital One. And with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.